Hey everyone, I'm Pavan Gahukar for Vivid, and this time we are not trying to cater the requirements of CA and CS final students. No, today we gonna discuss something for IPCC students. Yes, guys. Today we're gonna discuss about strategic management, one of the most ignored subject I can say. Okay, one of the most boring subject as thought over by from the students fraternity as I have experienced in the last 5 years. But trust me, guys, this is one of the most beautifully crafted subject by ICI. One of the most beautifully crafted subject by ICI. This is the only subject which gives you knowledge that MBA students have, okay, and CA students were lacking with this subject knowledge. So that's why a 50-mark curriculum only for management subject. For all the students who always thought that why are we not having IT for 100 marks and just SM को निकाल दो एक और subject दे दिया and what not. Let me remind you guys, trust me, let this lecture proceed. You'll understand how some simple tricks can make wonders happen. Not much efforts are required. Some simple tricks, some simple managerial concepts can change the way industries work. For the sake of example, okay, let's start with one question. The very first question, strategy. Strategic management पढ़ रहे हैं? So let me tell you what a strategy is. When we discuss something about strategy, trust me on this, going through the definition, you will never get what strategy is. So I'll help you with a corporate example that was actually worked out to change the dimensions of a particular brand by a particular well-known company back in the early 2000s. Again, let me start with a few questions. Here are some basic questions for you. Okay, I hope आपको टू व्हीलर्स के बारे में थोड़ा नॉलेज है. ऑफ कोर्स जिस एज ग्रुप में आप है, ओके, इन योर टीन एजेस, आपको ऑफ कोर्स पता होता है कि टू व्हीलर्स एंड ऑल का मार्केट जनरली पता होता है. सो डू यू नो दिस व्हीकल? This is the very first thing. Which vehicle is this? Yeah, tell me. Yeah, this is Pleasure. This was launched in the Hero Honda era. Okay, now it is Hero Pleasure, but yeah, when in inception, it was Hero Honda Pleasure. I just want to know something. Okay, सबने इस vehicle का vehicle presence जरूर roads पे experience किया होगा. I just want to know, is this a very girly vehicle? I just want to know that. Is this a very girly vehicle? Is it or is it not? If you happen to check out the dimensions of the vehicle, the aerodynamism of the vehicle, this vehicle doesn't seem so girlish. Okay, लेकिन if you happen to check out the way this vehicle was promoted, okay, of course, हमारी former मिस वर्ल्ड प्रियंका ने एडवर्टीजमेंट स्टेंट में, वन ऑफ द अर्ली एडवर्टीजमेंट स्टेंट्स था इनका, जहां पे अगर आपको याद होगा इस एडवर्टीजमेंट में उन्होंने क्या बोला था? व्हाट वाज द टैगलाइन एसोसिएटेड विद दिस व्हीकल? द टैगलाइन एसोसिएटेड विद दिस व्हीकल वाज, या एनी गेसेस, एनी आंसर्स फ्रॉम एनीवन? द टैगलाइन एसोसिएटेड विद दिस व्हीकल, द टैगलाइन एसोसिएटेड विद दिस व्हीकल वाज, if you remember, why should boys have all the fun? This was the tagline associated. So guys, why should boys have all the fun में अगर हम लोग डिस्कस करें, why should boys have all the fun? What is it trying to do? एक मिनट, why should boys have all the fun? इससे क्या पता चल रहा है? इससे क्या बताने की कोशिश कर रहा है वो प्रोडक्ट वाला बंदा? वो बोल रहा है कि this vehicle, okay, is meant for girls. वो कहना चाहता है दिस व्हीकल इज मेंट फॉर गर्ल्स, बट was it a very, is it a very girly vehicle? The answer is no. Now if you check out the statistics of India, the gender ratio in India is roughly 55-45. Okay, roughly 55-45. Let's assume it's 50-50. Let's assume, but yeah, the gender ratio is this. Even if you assume 50-50, or for that matter the statistics that I've shown, एक मिनट, मेल स्टूडेंट्स ये व्हीकल नहीं खरीदेंगे क्योंकि टैगलाइन क्या है, वाई शुड बॉयज हैव ऑल द फन। इसका मतलब इन्होंने इस व्हीकल को थोड़ा फेमिनाइन ओरिएंटेड बना दिया है। एक मिनट, फेमिनाइन ओरिएंटेड बना दिया, जो व्हीकल फेमिनाइन नहीं दिखती है, क्या उनसे मिस्टेक हुआ है कुछ? एक मिनट, हीरो होंडा, देन नाउ इट इज हीरो। Was it a wrong move? क्योंकि आपने लगभग अपना 55% मार्केट, 55% मार्केट छोड़ दिया खुद से, अपने हाथों से आपने वो मार्केट छोड़ दिया है। So because okay, Hero Honda will be losing more than 50% of the market at the inception। यानी शुरुआत में आपका व्हीकल वो कोई लेगा ही नहीं। ये बहुत बड़ा ब्लंडर है। आप अगर सोचेंगे तो just think of it, was it a wrong move? Just think of it, tell me, was it a wrong move? Tell me, ये गलत मूव है क्या? Think of it। अगर आप थोड़ा सोचोगे तो apparently ऐसा दिखता है that this is a very wrong move। I just want to know, you decide, ये सही मूव था हीरो होंडा का या गलत मूव था? 55% मार्केट शेयर छोड़ देना, इन्हें 55% लोग सोचेंगे नहीं कि हमने ये व्हीकल लेना है। कुछ लोगों ने फिर भी खरीदी होगी जिन्होंने ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया होगा टैगलाइन पे, बट यंगस्टर्स नहीं 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 वो लड़कियों का गाड़ी है ऐसा बोल के वो व्हीकल ऑप्ट नहीं करेंगे। सो वाज इट अ रॉन्ग मूव बाय हीरो होंडा? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। इफ यू हैव थॉट अ लॉट, लेट मी टेल यू some very revealing facts. In the early 2000 there were two vehicles, Hero Honda and Hero Honda Activa and Honda Dio। इनका अगर आप थोड़ा मार्केट शेयर देखेंगे, ये दो व्हीकल्स का मार्केट शेयर अर्ली 2000 में कितना था? 90%। ये दो व्हीकल ने मोटर स्कूटर, मोपेड, इस सेगमेंट में 90% मार्केट शेयर बना रखा था। 90% मार्केट शेयर। और हीरो होंडा प्लेजर का मार्केट शेयर तब कितना था? 0.6%, यानी एज गुड एज नथिंग। एक मिनट 0.6% इन द अर्ली 2000। ओके गाइस, और आज का अगर आप स्टैटिस्टिक्स देखेंगे तो हीरो मोटोक्रॉप का मार्केट शेयर है 15 point, okay, if you happen to check out today's ratio, 15.37%। from 0.6% to 15.37%, it's a very 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 big leap। बहुत बड़ा लीप है ये गाइस। कैसे किया गाइस? एक छोटा सा टैगलाइन ऐड किया, व्हाई शुड बॉयज हैव ऑल द फन। इस व्हीकल को फीमेल ओरिएंटेड बना दिया। अपरेंटली ऐसा दिखता है कि हमारा मार्केट शेयर जा चुका है, ऐसा नहीं है गाइस। 0.6% यानी दे हैड नथिंग टू लूज। फीमेल्स को अट्रैक्ट कर लिया इस ब्रांड ने और फीमेल का ईगो सिंबल बना ये व्हीकल, जिसके कारण टुडे इट हैज मोर देन 15% ऑफ द मार्केट शेयर। फ्रॉम लिटरली being not even able to quote even a single % of the market share, now they are in a commanding position of at least 15% with respect to so many Indian and foreign brands in motor scooter sector who are competing against each other। Guys, क्या है ये? This is nothing else but a strategy। कुछ नहीं किए हो, सिर्फ थोड़े मैनेजरियल कंसेप्ट, स्ट्रैटेजिक मैनेजमेंट कंसेप्ट अप्लाई किए एंड आपने मार्केट शेयर बढ़ा दिया, जो सबसे डिफिकल्ट होता है। दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू विन। You don't need to do too much. You just need to think out of the box, think something new. Now अगर हम लोग स्ट्रैटेजिक मैनेजमेंट का डेफिनेशन अभी हम लोग पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं अगर, now you'll understand strategy. Yeah, what is strategy? Strategy, it's a unified, comprehensive and integrated, unified, unique, comprehensive, which covers up everything, integrated plan designed to assure that the basic objectives of the business are achieved. It consists of a combination of competitive moves that managers employ to please customers, compete successfully, and outwit the opponents and achieve organizational goals. So guys, अब ये definition में थोड़ा clarity आता है. इसमें just check out the word strategic moves that managers employ to, just check this out, to please the customers. अगर आप ध्यान दोगे तो when we talk about any business environment, you just have to think about one thing. There's only one golden rule. One golden rule is satisfy the customer, satisfy the customer, satisfy the customer. There's only one golden rule. So strategic management and the various strategies focuses on this aspect. When we study about strategic management, we are basically dealing with the topmost level. The topmost level is the strategic level. इस level के लोग ये सारी चीजें करते हैं. The plans, the long-term plans developed by the strategic managers is nothing else but strategic management. So guys, when we talk about strategies, it is all about applying those managerial concepts that will really help you to go a long way. You don't have to work hard for making your company successful. You don't have to work hard. You just have to select right moves at the right time and at the right place. SM is interesting provided you know all the corporate examples which are relevant with the concept given under CA curriculum for IPCC. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed the lecture. If you have any queries, you can WhatsApp me your queries on the number below the screen. Signing off from Vivid, Pawan Kahukar. See you with few more interesting lectures on YouTube. Please subscribe our channel, Vivid Innovations. Thank you so much. Happy studies. All the best.